Welcome to Mundo the Alex channel, and today we are gonna play in the rain because I'm a little bit bored. And for a rainy day, this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna play with Sharky Clee, and also there's a secret mystery person behind me. So let's start with Sharky Clee. Okay, welcome. My name is Sharky Clay, and I'm just walking in the middle of the grass. The grass in rain. Well, I don't know what to do today because it's just a normal raining day. Okay. So I'm gonna go pay my taxes because I don't want to go to jail for that Sammy the Sloth went to jail for not paying his taxes. So let's go. Let's go pay my taxes. Where's the taxi store? It's over there on Sesame Street. Okay. I'm walking my way. I'm walking my way. I'm walking my way. Walking my way to ground. Oh, I hit myself on the floor. I need to get back up. I can't get up to just pay my taxes. I need to go somewhere. It's really raining. Look at those dark clouds over there. Okay, I need to go under a tree. We're safe here. Ooh, see, wait, I just heard something. I heard a frog somewhere. Well, I don't know. Well, let's go. Who just pushed me again? I'm the mystery man. The one. I'm wearing my new shoes. Look at my new shoes. They're the brand new. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Oh, yo, that is so fire. What do you mean, buckle my shoes? Bo, you can't even buckle your shoes. What do you mean? Look at my new shoes. You don't even got any new shoes. Yeah, because I'm an animal, duh. Well, you need to wear some shoes. Come here. No! I don't want to get some new shoes. You have to wear Jordans or Nikes. No, I don't want to. Yes. Let's get out this dumb rain. Okay, let's go to shelter. Oh, biscuits. This is our shelter. Now, stay right there. Okay, and ooh, there's dandelions over there. I want to go collect some dandelions. Can I go collect some dandelions? Where should I pick? I think yes. Wait a second. But I found a perfect dandelion right here. I'm gonna blow it. Ooh, look at this. This is a perfect one. Okay, let me blow it for a second. This doesn't work. Well, let's go over there and see how many dandelions there. You are not going to go see how many dandelions there is. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Then you can't take me. Oh. Yes, I'm running away. Yay. Oh, look at those dandelions. Dandelions are dangerous. They might kill grass. No, I don't care. They don't kill grass. Stop eating dandelions, bro. Because I'm going to smack you in the face. No. Yes, I'm going to go see those dandelions. Get over here, dandelions. You are not going to go see some dandelions. Get off the grass. Our neighbor's grass. Hey. Oh, look at this. You have ruined it. Wait a second. Look how many dandelions there are. Wow. I'm gonna jump in here. No, don't jump in there. Don't jump in there. Whee! No! Don't jump in there. How dare you jump in there? There's nobody watching, so I can go get him. Clean, what have you done? My new shoe! No! I need to get my new shoe. No, I'm getting my new shoe. Give me all these feathers off. Oh, yes, I get my new shoe back. There's a brand new Nike. Brand new Nikes, okay? Oh, I don't care for brand new Nikes. Well, I'm going to show you the model puzzle. No, don't you dare. No. Ah. How dare you throw me in the model puddle? I don't care. How dare you do that? You killed my new shoes. No, I didn't. Well, yes, you did. Wait, we better get inside right now. But what about my new shoes? Save it. Okay, we need to get inside. It's a thunderstorm coming. I just heard thunder. Come on, let's go. Yeah, you're not coming in. Oh, okay. Oh, never mind. You're coming in. Yeah, we need to go back in quickly. We are finally done. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.